Take 2 long multicolored balls and tie the box with them like a ribbon. And now on the other side, it looks unusual and catches the eye. In a similar way, you can decorate the legs of wine glasses for the holiday. Just tie them with balls. Besides, it will help to hold them tighter in your hands. If you suddenly lost the bottle cap, then a balloon will come to your aid. Inflate it and then place it on the neck of the bottle. Release the valve and the ball will wrap itself around the neck. Such a lid is absolutely airtight. The life hack is also suitable for glass jars with a large neck. And to remove the lid, just blow into the balloon and you're done. Fill a few balloons with water and then freeze them. They should become solid. Now, we'll take any suitcase and put drinks in it, covering them with our ice balls. That's it. Your homemade portable refrigerator is ready. Cut off the valve at the balloon and put it over a toilet paper sleeve. Put the projectile inside and pull back and bam! Let's take 2 balls of lots of chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a water bath to liquid state. Now we dip the balloon in chocolate for about half and put it on a saucer. Repeat this with the second balloon, and then with the third. Now, they will need to be frozen. After that, we just pop the balls and remove them for our chocolate cups. And in their place, we will put other balls, ice cream balls. Add a little sprinkling, and our usual dessert is ready. A chocolate bowl is no worse than an ordinary one. Besides, you can always eat it with ice cream. Let's take a pastry syringe, replace its tip with the balloon. Let's inflate it. And now we'll begin to gradually pour liquid chocolate inside. Helping ourselves with the plunger from the syringe. When all the chocolate is already inside, we will install a gas burner over a container of cold water. We will bring the glass tube to the fire and wait until the glass drops falls into the water, where it will instantly freeze. In addition to the drop itself, a thin glass thread freezes for which we will get them. Just look at how beautiful it is. But besides that, it's also very strong. You can't even break it with a hammer. But there's a trace left on the metal. And again. But it is worth pressing on the tail of the drop, as it literally explodes, scattering into small fragments. Look at it in slow motion. Fill the aquarium with water and put a piece of glass inside with the drawn circle. Let's take scissors and, attention now, cut the circle out of the glass. Yes, you heard it right. Underwater, you can cut glass with scissors. It's not as easy as cutting paper, but it's possible. Here is such a glass circle we have turned out to be. Not quite exactly, but the main thing is that it works. Take a glass and then swipe it with the moistened finger. Interesting sound, but what happens if you pour water into a glass? The glasses sound the same, but if you put something light on one of them, you can see that they resonate with each other. Let's take an ordinary glass bottle. Pour alcohol into a bowl and dip a ball to twine into it. Soak it well and wrap it around the center of the bottle. We set it on fire and begin to turn the bottle smoothly while the fire is burning. As soon as it goes out, we drop the bottle to the water with the sharp movement and it divides into 3 parts. Although there are failures, well, success. Look at the slice, not the smoothest, but also not bad. Fill the bottle with water almost to the neck. And then we deliver a powerful blow with the palm of our hand. Okay, one more. The bottom of the bottle is knocked out. Although perhaps not only the bottom, the pressure inside just breaks the bottle. Look what happened to them. We wrap the neck of the bottle with wire and twist it, and pull the free end into a resulting loop. Cut off the excess and twist it for reliability. It turns out to be such a pain. Now, heat the bottle with the burner until the glass gets hot and becomes soft and malleable. Now, it remains to pull the handle in the right direction. Let the glass cool down. Look at the fancy bottles we've made. Why, it's even more convenient this way. Take a car glass window. It's hardened, which means you can't just break it. Then let's take the spark plugs, and specifically this part, and throw them into the glass. It shattered into small pieces incredibly. Let's try again. Okay, one more time. Well, for the 3rd time, it will definitely work out. Yes, it crashed.